thank you so much for this award and Bharat 24. Special thanks to the PMO office and Dr. Jitendra Singh ji. My name is Harshit Kochar. I am the promoter of VJON Group, and today along with me, my group CEO Mr. Vimal Pandey is joining with us. He will have this honor to take this conversation forward, and we both will be sharing our insights about the company. Vimal sir.
Hello sir, very good afternoon. So kindly share us about your company, a small brief so that people get to know about it more.
This company was founded by his grandfather, Mr. Suchet Singh Kochar, way back in 1960. And it has started from the pavement of Chandni Chowk. Proudly, these two generations have worked very hard. And today it is a group which owns the highest market share in the shaving cream sector. And we are going ahead very aggressively in the men's grooming section completely.
Sir, as everyone knows that VJON is a very big company, especially you are leading in shaving cream market. So please tell me how your company is different from others.
See, this company is different because our products are world class in nature. But our affordability to a normal consumer is not that much. I mean, we are fighting with the multinational giants, but we are providing them the best world class quality at the price which they can afford. So that is the reason of our success.
So you can share something?
We have been always known as the value for money brand, and our aim is to be a premium, mass premium brand for all the people who can afford at the minimal cost. So our new going forward vision would be to have enter in the blade category, so that the people should have the Indian blade technology and they can use and have the benefit of it.
Sir, if I look forward towards my research about your company, we get to know that you had a campaign named Shaving Se Snan Tak during Kumbh. So I wanted to know how was your experience in that campaign, the planning you did, the research you did, and after that what was the response from the customer end? So please share about it.
This research was done by our brand general manager Ashutosh Chaudhary. He did his great effort in researching the entire campaign. We got a very good insight from the customer while using this product. हमने वहाँ पे एक बूथ बनाया था जहाँ पे लोगों ने अपने आप आके सेल्फ शेव करना था. हमने सारे शेविंग प्रोडक्ट्स उनके लिए रख दिए थे. उसके एक्सपीरियंस से हमें समझ आया कि हमारे को और उनके लिए क्या बेहतर करना चाहिए, क्या प्लस करना चाहिए. उनकी गाइडेंस से हमने उन सब चीज़ों को अडॉप्ट किया और आगे चला, और आगे भी हमें ऐसे अवसर मिलते रहेंगे और हम ऐसे कार्य करते रहेंगे.
So kindly share something of your experience.
Yeah, this campaign was done at a moment when there was a lot of crowd over there. The masses were there who wanted to experience our product, and we have done great efforts to make them experience the product and feel good about it. The reviews from the consumers were excellent during that experiential center. So that's what, this has been a very successful campaign for us.
One of my last question, what are your future plans for your company? Please explain.
As I rightly said before, our future plan is to become a blade company. We are soon we have entered into a blade category from disposable to 6 blades to trimmers. Our vision that all Indian, with a proud movement, they can use Indian blade technology for their shaving. So they should get the value for money. We are converting ourselves into a new age company, new age products, where all Gen Zs and Gen Z millennials are looking for the right packaging, product fit for the market and the right product value.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much sir. आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
मैसेज यही है कंज्यूमर के लिए, look at VJON the way it is progressing. We are not only going to be a shaving company, we are going to be a men's grooming company completely, and we will be very aggressive, more innovative in future. You will see a lot of new products coming in. Thank you.
Thank you so much sir. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.
Mr. Harshit Kochar, promoter and managing director VJON Group, and the category is excellence in personal care products. एक बार जोरदार तालियां.